The Los Angeles Police Department has issued a civil emergency message for the state of California. A person named John Pork is calling people in the Los Angeles area. Citizens are advised not to answer these calls and report all calls to the authorities immediately. Thank you for your time. The Los Angeles Police Department has issued the following message. At 3:33 p.m. Central Standard Time, a numerous 46 total deaths have been recorded following this terrible incident. Citizens are advised to turn off all electronic devices and phones to not be killed. John Pork resembles a man/pig figure. If you see John Pork on your screen, call 911 immediately. John Pork kills his victims by stabbing them multiple times with a machete. John Pork also uses the remains of his victims and spells the word Porkies with the remains. If you see anything identical to this, call 911 immediately. The United States government has issued a shelter-in-place warning for the states of California, Nevada, and Oregon. John Pork was seen in Nevada and Oregon killing victims that ignored his calls. Citizens are advised not to leave their homes and to lock all doors immediately. John Pork has also believed in starting a cult called Porkies. The government believes John Pork recruits his victims by calling them and telling them to go to a rural area that has no people, such as fields and alleyways. Citizens that join this so-called cult will be prosecuted immediately. The death toll has risen significantly to 46 deaths, to 349 deaths in the span of 48 hours. Please protect yourself and your loved ones from being killed by John Pork. We are unsure if John Pork may break into homes. We will keep you updated along the way. Stay safe and do not go outside. There is no emergency. I repeat, there is no emergency. John Pork has been caught and captured by a SWAT team in Oregon. He was found in a suburban home eating tacos. It is safe to go outside now, but be cautious as you enter the outdoors. The cult Porkies is still intact. If you see any gang activity, please call 911 immediately. Have a great rest of your day.